Some developing countries, poor countries not eating. In India, 80 crores people getting 5 kilo rice, 5 kilo chawal mil raha hai, 5 kilo rice freely. So poor. 40 crores people unemployed. In villagers, no medicine, no health. But leaders, America should change. President Trump. He is actually the Epstein report. That how many violence and sexual abuse with teenage girls. But so many persons' name already in the scandal. Everybody should go to jail. Any Indian, Hardip Puri, every Indian, Pakistani, any ministers. Pakistan is now democratic serious. People are dying, but Pakistani army person and their children staying in foreign countries and they taxpayer money they wasting and say using these types of scandal done by Pakistani various ministers of the world. World should know about them. World should dismiss them. Should be protest. It should be protest all over the world for dismiss these types of leaders in India and Pakistan media, Indian media 151 last rank in the world. Pakistan media also rank so last. Now in the America, just like these countries and a developed country, what would happened? So what other countries, what would be done? Kya ho raha? Epstein file. All leaders should be not in power, should be dismissed, should be sentenced to jail. Every world leaders who involved in sex scandals in any country, all reporters should be investigate. Journalists should be reveal the data of every country. Pakistan, India, China, North Korea, the dictator country, but democracy countries. Actually, how much violence they're done towards the teeny little girls. What is the how much threatened? What is the condition of their time when violence occurred by these persons? Brutally, how many brutally sex with little girls? This is the if you listen, if you think that our trembling body is totally trembling. What happens? Kya ho raha hoga? How much suffering the tiny girls when they abuses, when they molesting by these little girls with these old aged persons, elder persons. Liquor, they may be bite, they may be beat, sexual torture, physical tortures, mental tortures. What happened? While so many girls, presidents, prime ministers, various ministers of developing country, poor countries, America, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, many countries maybe happen. This should be dismissed. World 800 crore people, world media, BBC, everybody is so viral, highlighted in every social media about these persons. Grassroots people, 8 crores people will know about their activities, what they happens. They should not keep in the power. They should out of the power, out of the president, prime minister post. Anything Indian happens. Crores of money, thousand billions crores money deposited in Swiss banks. But Indian giving loan to IMF, World Bank, giving loan interest 200 lakhs, 2 billion, 2 trillion Indian loan amount, borrow debt amount. So these types of people, world should know. World, every social media should post these types of news. Epstein photo, all photo. American people should spread awareness. Their government should release all the data. Nothing edited. Pura real photo, data, videos. Should be how much countries, how much poor developed countries leaders, MP, PM, MP, MLA, MP, Member of Parliament associated with Epstein file. they come to Epstine Island or the Virgin Island and they enjoy with the tiny little girls kidnapped and tortured, socially exploited, sexually assaulted, brutally raped. How much violence that is inhuman and it is same to the human beings.